What up, everyone? Welcome back to the bus. I got a bunch of stuff today. I've got some Lexel. It's some sort of sealant for the windows. It's been a little bit since I posted previously, but it's been raining, so we haven't been able to do this project, and it's the next thing that we have to do. So let me show you what I'm doing. So these windows need to come out because they are leaking along this edge here. So I just need to go through, clean them up, sand them, then reseal them. So let's get that started. I'm not exactly sure how to start, but I believe it's just some seals and it should be pretty easy. This comes out. The main concern I have is breaking them, but it'll be fine. There is a screw on each side. Let me show you. There's a screw there, and then there's the same one. All right, so I'm gonna grab a drill. I'm gonna remove these, so I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got a drill. Kind of funny thing, I got a Milwaukee drill with a DeWalt tip on there. That's kind of interesting. Here we go. And that's just two little screws. I hope that's all that's needed to pull it out. Oh my gosh, that's easy. Are you kidding me? That's it? And then it just pulls off. Just like so. There you go. So this window just comes out. And now I just need to clean it up and seal it back in. And it should be perfectly fine. So these surfaces here, these weather stripping, we're getting rid of this weather stripping because it doesn't help very much. There you go. That was like extremely easy. So guys, I'm going to take off the rest and then clean them up. I'm probably gonna end up like wire brush the these mating surfaces because previously they're just sticky, like a kind of like a sticker. But this is like actual caulking, so it like will like seal very, very well. Yeah, it should be pretty quick. Start the time lapse, guys. Those windows are out. That was extremely easy. I didn't expect it to be this easy. Now I just got to clean off all of this goopiness and it'll be ready to go to put that caulking on. The reason I'm putting some primer on there is to stop some rust, because when you wire wheel something, it exposes bare metal and it can start rusting, and having rust is bad. So that's why I'm spraying these spots, so I know they're clean and I know that there's not going to be any rust on it. So I got this all cleaned up, I got it painted. Now we're just waiting for it to dry, and then we can go ahead and install these windows. I'm getting ready to put one of the windows in. I'm gonna start on this side. I've got my Lexel, which is a elastic sealant for every job. I don't know how it's gonna go. It might go really well, it might not go very well. This stuff is pretty gross. But we're gonna get started here. Wish me luck. Again, we're starting at the top, working our way around. A small bead. That's a large bead. Fill in this section a little bit. We're gonna work our way to the other side. I'm gonna fill in this section a little bit. this section a little bit. Alright, so it's on that front edge. This, and then we're going to go like this. Just like so. Alright, I got this blue clamp. This is going to help. First one in. Let's hope it seals. All of the windows are in. If you can see, the last 3 are in. They are clamped and ready to dry. Whew, it's been 2 days. I probably worked about like 7 hours, 8 hours, just to be generous on this. It's not the greatest job. It's still stringy, but I don't claim to be a professional. Hopefully they seal, and that would be pretty awesome. So guys, I hope you like this video. I know it's a little bit boring, so check out my other videos. Some of them are way more entertaining. So like, subscribe, all of that. I'll see you in the next one.